How to deal with stress and anxiety during Corona. A friendly advice by Manaf Narula, a student and a preacher of human psychology for the greater good of humankind. Guys, you are not alone in this unprecedented time feeling anxious. The so-called the new normal isn't that easy to accept. The coronavirus disease is a pandemic and may be stressful for people. Fear and anxiety about a new disease and what could happen can be overwhelming and cause strong emotions in adults and children. Public health actions, such as social distancing, can make people feel isolated and lonely and can increase stress and anxiety. Stress during an infectious disease outbreak can sometimes cause the following: 1. Fear and worry about your own health and the health of your loved ones. 2. Your financial situation or job, or loss of support services you rely on. 3. Changes in sleep or eating patterns. Difficulty sleeping or concentrating. 4. Increased use of tobacco, and/or alcohol, and other substances, thereby worsening the mental health conditions. These are few things you can do to stay positive. First of all, follow social distancing physically, but do not distance yourself from friends and family. Digital mediums like FaceTime, Hangouts, or even Zoom can be used to touch base with them daily. Always remember, human beings are bound by large community unlike animals. If Homo sapiens do not get to mingle, they lose their mental balance quickly. Second, pick a hobby during this lockdown, or let's say this work from home situation. Things that you always wanted to do but time never permitted. Use the saved travel time to office and develop a hobby like painting, blogging, gardening, or even making videos like myself to inspire people. Third, you always cherish your childhood times with your parents. They were your friends and companions and made great stories together. Ask yourself, are you doing the same for your children? The answer is a big no. Well, coronavirus gives you an opportunity to become your children's friend and make memories that they will remember forever. Start by playing some indoor games together like dumb charades. Fourth, staying in a closed apartment can be haunting after a while. You should do a guided meditation that makes you happy. Critical thing is to fight stress is to do regular exercises, especially yoga, which can reduce stress in long run. Exercise is one of the most important things you can do to combat stress. It might seem contradictory, but putting physical stress on your body through exercise can relieve mental stress. Exercise lowers your body's stress hormones, such as cortisol, in the long run. It also helps release endorphins, which are chemicals that improve your mood and act as natural painkillers. Exercise can also improve your sleep quality, which can be negatively affected by stress and anxiety. Lastly, a pro tip to fight COVID anxiety is by limiting your media exposure, especially if you struggled with anxiety before the pandemic. While it is fine to have a general idea of what is happening, especially if you live near an area with high concentration of cases, it's important to limit media exposure, particularly from undocumented or potentially unreliable sources. Especially avoid any acting on any WhatsApp message on home remedies to cure corona. Hope you liked my suggestions. Do subscribe to my channel and share this video with your family and friends. It is our duty to share our common knowledge for the betterment of the society. Take good care of yourself and sanitize your hands after every 1/2 an hour.